Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great, right? Yes. Today I'm again here to teach you which subject? Tell me which subject? Yes, mathematics, right? Yes. Today we are going to learn our chapter number 7, that is about subtraction. Subtraction. It is very interesting chapter. Okay? You just listen with me. Okay? Today we are going to learn about subtraction. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to perform subtraction through pictures. Then translate the language into corresponding symbol of subtraction. Then computes the problems involving subtraction. Then understands the concept of zero. Okay, I repeat. In this chapter, we are going to learn to perform subtraction through pictures, then translate the language into corresponding symbol of subtraction, then computes the problems involving subtraction, and also try to understand the concept of zero. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay. Then subtraction is, then what is subtraction? Yes. Subtraction is when you take numbers away. When you take numbers away. Then when we take away some part of any number, we subtract. Okay? When we take away some part of any number, we subtract. Then subtraction is a process of taking away. Subtraction is a process of taking away. Then we use this symbol or this sign to show subtraction. Okay? We use this sign to show subtraction. Can you see this sign here? Yes, this sign is used to show subtraction. Okay, then look here. Can you see some hats here? Yes. Then count how many hats are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many hats are here? Yes, it is 8 hats are here. I am going to remove or take away one hat from here. Okay, I am going to take away one hat from here. Then tell me, how many hats are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. This is subtraction. Is it very simple? Yes. Then one more. Count. How many hats are here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Then now we are going to take away 2 hats from here. How many hats? 2 hats. Then tell me, how many hats are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay? Then tell me now how many hats are here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to remove how many hats from here? I am going to take away how many hats? 5 minus 3. That means we are going to take away 3 hats from here. Right? Yes, 3 hats from here. Then tell me how many hats are remaining here? 1, 2. Yes, that is 5 minus 2 is equal to, sorry, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, then tell me how many hats are here? Only 2 hats. 1, 2. Then I am going to remove 1 hat from here. Okay, I am going to remove 1 hat from here. That is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to? Yes, it is 1. That is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is subtraction. Is it easy and very interesting? Yes. Then tell me, how many cupcakes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cupcakes are here. I am so hungry, so I am going to eat 4 cupcakes. Okay? I am going to eat 4 cupcakes. Yeah, I eat 4. Then tell me how many cupcakes are here now? 1, 2, 3. That is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay? Then, now we are moving to subtracting with the number 0. Okay? Subtracting with the number 0. Okay. What is 0? 0 is nothing, right? 0 is nothing or no object. 0 is nothing. Then look here. We are subtracting 0 from 4. Here we can see one box with 4 pencils, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here another one box. This box here is nothing. That is 0. 4 minus 0. Then we get 4 itself. Yes, that is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Okay? Then, here we can see 9 flowers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers. Then, here is nothing. That means 0. Yes, here is nothing. Then we get how many flowers? 9 minus 0 is 9. Yes, 9 minus 0 is 9. Then one more example. Here we can see how many boxes are here. Yes, here is 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this table, how many boxes are here? Is it 2 or 3? Yes, you are right. There's nothing in this table, right? That is 0. 0. Yes. Then 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. Then here is 3 lollipops, right? Yes, 3 lollipops. In this box, how many lollipops are here? Is it 4 or 5? There's nothing in this box, right? That is 3 minus is equal to 3. Yes, that is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. That is when 0 is subtracted from a number, if the number is 3, then the difference is the same number. Difference is 3 itself. Okay. Then count the books. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then we are going with 2 books from here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then get how many books? one book. That means first here is 3 books. We are going to take away 2 books from here. Then one book is remaining. That is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay. This is our activity time. Here we have 4 questions for activity. Okay. Can we check it? Okay. The first question is, read it. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Tell me, how can we solve this problem? Yes, we want to subtract 3 from 5, right? We want to subtract 3 from 5. For that, first, whichever one is the greater number, bigger number? Is it 5 or 3? Yes, 5 is greater number, right? Yes. Then we want to subtract 3 from 5. 5 is greater number. So, you keep the greater number in your mind. Okay? Then 5 is now in our mind. Then you start counting from 4, 5. Okay? Start counting from 4, the next number of 3. Then we get 2. Yes, that is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is always keep in your mind. Okay? Next is 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. Which one is the bigger number? Yes, the 6 and 6 are same numbers, right? So, 6 minus 6 is 0. Nothing. Right. Then, next one, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. We are going to subtract 2 from 7. Then tell me, which one is bigger number? Is it 2 or 7? Which one is the bigger number? Yes, it is 7. 7 is bigger number, right? Then, how can we subtract 2 from 7? Yes, first you keep the bigger number in your mind. Okay, now 7 is in our mind. Then, we are going to start counting from 3 because 3 is the next number. Okay, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what is the answer? Yes, 5. That is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Then one more activity is here. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Then tell me, which is the bigger number? 4 or 1? Is 1 is bigger? No, it's 4 is bigger number, right? Then you keep the bigger number in your mind. Now 4 is in our mind. Then we are going to start counting from 2. Yes. Start counting 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then what is the answer? Yes, 3. That is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then tell me, what's the answer of 10 minus 10? 10 minus 10? Yes, it is 0. Right. Then tell me, what's the answer of 5 minus 5? Yes, it is also 0. When we subtract same numbers, the answer is 0. Yes, the answer is 0. And try to identify this sign. Yes, this is the sign for subtraction. This is the sign for subtraction. And which sign is this? Yes, this is equal to sign. This is the sign of subtraction. We read it as minus, minus. And this is the sign called equal to sign. That is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Right. Then 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Very good. Then 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Yes. Then 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Yes, it's very good. I think you got an idea about subtraction. It's a very simple chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can freely ask in our comment box. I will always available to sort out your doubts. Okay, then we can see in our next video with a very interesting chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.